today's the day I got my subframe back. It took pretty much 3.5 weeks. It was supposed to be 2 weeks, but for some reason it took longer. Supposedly Buddy hurt his back, but I got it back. I'm happy. Let's see how good the quality is. Okay guys, so the parts came out pretty good. Did it pretty good with the powder coating, satin black. Pretty much the parts brand new. You see where I welded the GK Teck braces. This will strengthen out the subframe. Also welded on some right here. That is the anti-squat attachment. But I did notice one spot that they didn't do very good on was right in here. So yeah, they missed some spots in here. So that is sandblasted and that's bare metal, so it will rust. So I'm just gonna go in there with the can of black paint and touch it up. No one's gonna see it, can't tell the difference, but I want to seal it away from the environment. That's it. But on that, it's pretty good. And then we got rear load control arm. It's like brand new. Love it. And rear knuckles. Also did a good job. OEM axles. Diff. That was painted. I got rid of the slotted holes by welding in a washer, so all our adjustment will be made through our aftermarket arms. Hey guys, so I just installed the subframe on the car, so check it out. I didn't install the diff yet, we'll get to that tomorrow, but we got the black on white. So there you have it, black subframe on a white underbody. Let me know in the comment below what you guys think, man. Peace out.